On July 3rd, we hit the road and made our way down to Chicago. The next morning, July 4th, once we arrived at the airport, it was go time. We checked in all our luggage for the next couple of weeks. Before we knew it, we were up in the air, headed west to Seattle. The views were amazing and the excitement just kept building. We touched down in Seattle and made our way to Lake Stevens to meet up with family. After all the travel, it felt so good to finally be together. The evening was filled with all the best parts of the 4th: laughter, fireworks, good food, and family. It was a perfect way to kick off our trip. America! The next day, we were ready to explore. Our first stop, the Granite Falls Fishway. It's just a mile outside of town and makes for an easy, peaceful hike with some beautiful views of the falls. The Fishway was originally built to help salmon and steelhead make their way upstream to spawn, and it still stands today. It's a great little spot to get outside, stretch your legs, and take in some nature without a huge crowd. After that, we headed toward Big 4 Mountain. We grabbed some lunch, enjoyed the scenery, and then hit the trail for a hike to the famous ice caves. Even in the summer heat, the caves still had snow and ice packed inside, making it the perfect spot to cool down. Nature's air conditioning. Can't beat it. On the way back, we couldn't resist the clear, cold stream. A quick dip before loading back up and calling it a day. We took Sunday to rest and recharge, which turned out to be a perfect reset before our next adventure. On Monday, we set out to explore the incredible Mount Rainier. The skies were clear, the trails were calling, and the views did not disappoint. We spent the day hiking, having lunch with a view, and soaking in everything this beautiful place had to offer. With the visibility so good, we could see for miles. It's hard to believe that in just a few days we'll be headed even further north, to Alaska with the hope of seeing Mount Denali. It's almost a mile taller than Rainier. Fingers crossed the skies stay this clear.
Mount Adams, Mount Hood, and Mount St. Helens, and Mount Rainier. Go for it.
This trip is already shaping up to be unforgettable, and we're just getting started.